So, everybody, this is my dad, Giuseppe. He works on Railful and Jelly.
Thank you for saying my name and what I do and where. Oh, good. Good start. You're a good marketing person. Okay, so what's up?
So, I'm gonna make for you my yogurt recipe.
This is your first recipe?
Yeah, with my first customer.
Who is your first customer?
You.
Okay. So how much it cost?
$1.99.
So I have to give you $1.99?
Yep.
Okay. Okay, I guess you deserve $1.99 for all the work you've done. But show me what is this recipe about. So what ingredients do you have?
So we have banana, strawberry yogurt, we have vanilla, pudding, bananas, honey, and a bowl.
Okay, and is this a breakfast or a dinner?
It can be any breakfast, dinner,
So I can have this for dinner or for dessert?
dessert, no dinner,
No dinner.
no lunch. For breakfast you can have it for a snack, you can have it for early snack in the morning. You can have it any time except lunch and dinner.
Okay, show me how you make this.
So
Okay.
first we have the spoon. We're gonna put in some yogurt.
How many spoons of yogurt?
It has to be all.
All the yogurt? Oh, that's a big dessert.
Yep.
Am I gonna be able to eat all of it?
Yeah.
Okay. So one yogurt full, and then one pudding full.
Yes.
Okay.
And then you have to mix it at the end.
How many times can I have this in a month before I get fat?
And much everyone.
How many times? Like
It doesn't matter.
when it's full moon?
No, a full moon you can get sweet dessert.
Okay.
But this is, you can get it for every day sweet dessert.
Okay. Let's see. So you have the yogurt on the bottom,
Yep.
and you say strawberry. You can use any other flavor.
Yep.
Okay.
You can use any yogurt and any pudding. But never use it with Jello. Jello, no.
No Jello.
Yes, no Jello.
Is this a low-fat yogurt or regular yogurt?
I don't know.
Okay.
It's serving one. Let's see over here.
I don't have my glasses on. Let's see. So,
Hello.
what does it say? How many points?
100.
130 calories. And one serving. Sorry, one serving. So this is one serving, okay?
Or one of those.
One of this, okay? All of it?
Yeah. I need more.
You want me to help you?
Yeah, I'm a
You
chef.
got it? Are
I'm
you
a
a chef?
chef over here.
Okay, sorry.
But this is going to spoon if you want this. My mac and cheese spoon.
So there is a particular technique of doing this in this way, or you can just dump it.
No, dump it. You have to do it with a spoon.
Okay.
Because if you dump it, it's going to be like on one spot. You have to split it.
Okay, so you spread this with a spoon. Okay. How did you get inspiration of this recipe?
I don't know. I just said I want to cook with Daddy, and last time we had a snack. I had this, and then I wanted more. So Mama gave me a little pot, and then I got both together, and it tastes so good. And then I got the idea of it.
Oh, good. Yes. All right, so we got the yogurt.
Now
What's next?
Pudding.
What kind of pudding?
Vanilla.
Okay. Can I use also chocolate?
Yeah, you can use any.
Any pudding.
Yes.
And also this one, you scoop it very, very slow.
Yeah.
You don't dump it inside.
Yeah, you cannot dump it.
No? Okay.
If you want, then you can use the other spoon.
Okay.
If you want.
And that's a good technique. Yeah, sometimes I wish I had free hands too. You gotta work with two hands.
Mhm.
That's why Mama is holding the camera, because I don't have free hands. So I use Mama hand.
Mhm.
Okay. That's a nice color combination.
Mhm.
It looks like gold.
Yeah. We bought this for my recipe. You can put it like side anywhere
Okay.
in the bowl, because when you mix it, it's gonna go together.
So this is just one for me, or can I share this with Mama?
Mom already had one, so.
Okay.
You can share with Mama if she can have one, but tomorrow you can share it with her. I have to be home, and we can have it for tomorrow breakfast, but I have to wake up early for that because it takes long. Somebody can be my assistant.
Okay. But your Mama is your assistant?
She's on the camera.
Ah. So we need another assistant?
No, we don't. I'm the.
I can help you if you need help.
Yeah,
Just
but.
tell me what to do.
Yeah, but not today. I'm gonna show you how to do it.
All right.
You don't know how to do this. If you want to do it quick, then get big scoops, and you do this.
So it looks like you create layers of pudding on top of yogurt. Is that a secret technique?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. What's next?
Next is gonna be bananas.
Wow. And you get the whole banana?
Yes, at least. So we could just get this one and hold it. To do this and
You just let them
yeah,
fall. You want me to help you?
no, I got it.
There is a particular order or just random?
Random.
Okay, looks good.
Next you have to put honey.
How much honey? Because it's not sweet enough. How many sugar inside of this dessert, you know? Little? Something? Some?
It will go a lot because you're gonna.
A lot of sugar?
No, I just put a little bit, but you're gonna mix it. So now, do the spoon and you can mix it.
Okay.
Mix it. Mix it. No.
Like this?
No, mix it like.
Like this?
Yes.
All right.
And then when you want to eat, you put it on the sides. You fill up.
So is it ready? Can I taste it?
Yep.
It looks good. The colors are nice. I love the colors. Pink and yellow and ivory and looks good. Okay, let's test it. And what is it called, this recipe?
It's called.
Come over here, don't run away.
Dun, dun, dun.
What is it called?
It's called that super first recipe for yogurts.
Okay. Super recipe for yogurt. Okay. Let me see. But it looks good.
Yep. Like it?
Mmm. It's very good.
I made it.
It's 3 different texture. And the banana that melts, and the sweetness of the pudding, and the freshness of the yogurt. It's a good recipe. Yum.
I made this.
But the chef is not supposed to eat his own recipe. Thank you for cooking this recipe for me. Give me 5. Good job. Good. So we're gonna say subscribe. How do you say subscribe?
Subscribe.
To what?
Meals for Longevity.
Okay, subscribe for Meals for Longevity channel, and then also we can say go to the Meals for Longevity website. That's mealsforlongevity.com, and download the recipes for the Mediterranean diet
For 99 cents.
for 99 cents. Okay, ciao. Good deal. But you're not supposed to eat. You're the chef. I'm supposed to eat.
Bye.
I'm the customer.